So I know that this sort of activity can be a bit confusing. It's in the extra packet, but it is an ELA activity. So if you want to do this for one of your ELA sheets for today and do it with me, go ahead into the extra packet, that's the summer packet, and get this out and we will do it together right now. So this box right here says, color the pictures of the same ending sound, the same color. So what they want you to do is look at the pictures, say them out loud, and listen to the last sound in the word and color them the same color. Any of them have the same ending sound. So this is a queen. Queen. So what sound do you hear at the end? Queen. Say queen. I hear an N. I hear an N at the end. So I'm just going to write an N up there to remind us. Okay. Bug. Bug. Let's look at that word bug. Ugh. Bug. What's the ending sound in bug? You hear the G, bug. So I'm going to write a G up there. And let's see if any of these other ones in this box have the same ending sound. Log. Log. Does that ending sound match queen or bug? Queen or bug? It matches bug. So I'm going to write a G up there. This is spoon. Spoon. Is that like queen or like bug? Spoon. It's like queen. So we can color the queen and spoon purple. We can color the log and bug green. So we don't need to color perfectly. Just put some color on those. And go ahead and color with me while I'm coloring. So my queen and my spoon are the same color. And my bug is going to be green. And my log is going to be green. See? So I colored them the same color based on what ending sound I heard in the word. Let's look at this one quickly. Write the ending sound. Spider, spider. What letter do you hear at the end of spider? Spider. I hear an R. So I'm going to put an R up there. Spider. Flag. Flag. What ending sound do you hear in flag? Say it with me. Flag. I hear a G. I'm going to write a G there. Let's look at this. It says, color the pictures with the word off. So I see an off there. So I can color that one. It matches. Because it's an O-F-F. You see in the directions? O-F-F. And that's O-F-F. So I'm going to color that purple. That is O-F-F. So I'm going to color that one purple. That's O-F. So I'm not going to color that one because that does not match. This one is O-F-F. So I'm going to color it purple. Now, the last one wants to be tricky, so you need to be careful. Look at it. Is that an O? No, that's not an O. That's an A. That says A-F-F. That is not the word off, and that is not a word. So I'm not even going to color it. That one's a word. That's of, but it's not off. So we didn't color these two. This one can be kind of tricky too. Let's look at it. That's the word rub. Rub. That's a cub. They want you to change it and write the new word. So make rub the word cub and write it here. Rub, cub. They rhyme. The only thing that's different is the beginning sound. So rub has a r in the beginning. Rub. Cub has a k in the beginning, but still has the sound. They are rhyming words. Rub and cub rhyme. So we can write cub here. All we need to do is think about what is the beginning, the new beginning sound in this word. So we can take the R off of rub and make a different letter there, like a C. If I stuck a C there, with a C makes what word? With a C is cub. So I can just put there because I know it has and I just need to think about what letter might go right here. We just said C. C goes right there to make the word cub. With a C is cub. Rub and cub have the same word family, UB, and they are rhyming words. All right, let's do this one. Color the pictures that rhyme the same color. This is a picture of a notepad, so we can just call it a pad. Notepad. We'll just call it a pad. This little boy is what? He is mad. That's a shell, and that is a bell. Which ones rhyme? Does pad and shell rhyme? Does pad and mad rhyme? Pad, mad. They sound just alike. So we can color them the same color. I'm going to color them both purple. So I have a purple crayon out and a green crayon out. So I colored pad purple, and I'm going to color mad purple. Because they rhyme. They are rhyming words. See? Pad and mad rhyme. Now, shell. Does shell rhyme with pad? Do I need to color it purple? Does shell rhyme with mad? Do I need to color it purple? No, but shell rhymes with bell. Shell, bell. So I can color them both green. Okay? Write the word to match the picture. This little girl is being responsible and feeding her dog. Her dog is fed. Her dog is now fed. So we're going to write the word fed here. The first sound I hear in the word fed is f. What letter is that? That's an F. Ed. Fed. What letter goes here? E, that's right. D. D. What letter goes here? D. D. That's right. Fed. Ed. Fed. The dog is fed. Good job. I hope this helped you do this activity sheet. I hope you did it along with me. And I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. You take care.